In this video, we're going to tell you about a credit union that lets anyone join and the interest rates are crazy low.
Okay, money magnets, we're talking about Expedition Credit Union. Now, this credit union gives generous limits. Also, stick around to the end so we can show you how to earn an extra $200. But let's dive into the first product, which is the Platinum Visa card. Now, with this particular card, there's no annual fees, but one thing that I love is it gives you that 2.99% interest rate for 12 months. Now, this card doesn't have all of those fancy, bonuses for when you join or cash back or anything like that, but it does give you that low interest rate. So if you're paying high interest rates on your credit card, then you can do a balance transfer with this particular credit union and get 2.99 for 12 months. This card also has no foreign transaction fees, and it has a contact list where you can pay like Apple Pay. But what if you have a card that you wanted to earn cash back on?
All right, guys, we're going to talk about the Platinum Rewards Visa. With this card, you can pay 2.99 for 12 months. Also, after that, the interest rate is 14%. So this card is great if you're running out of a 0% for 12-month interest rate card and you want a balance transfer. This is a great card where you don't pay a lot of interest. Also, you can earn 1.5% on all purchases, and you can earn $100 if you spend $2,500 in the first 90 days. So these cards also have generous limits, which means we're looking at the personal loans. I think these cards can go north of about $30,000. But guys, what if you want a personal loan?
Now, on the personal loans, I love that they have several products, okay? So you can get an unsecured loan and have up to 60 months to repay it back at 10.74%. That right there, money magnets, is really good. So if you have a lot of debt and you wanted to do consolidation, this would be most definitely a good loan for you. Or if you maybe want to take a vacation or you're getting married, this is one that you don't want to sleep on. It also has a personal line of credit that gives you up to 60 months at 11.99%, as well as checking overdraft protection. You don't see that a lot nowadays, but it's up to 60 months and the interest rate on that is 17.99. Now, I love that because you don't have to worry about overdrawing your checking account. You have that extra layer of protection.
Hey guys, make sure you like and share this video. Also, if you have any experience with Expedition Federal Credit Union, make sure you drop a comment below. And for those business owners, if you're looking to raise up to $250,000 for your business, make sure you look in the description below and book a free business strategy call with Gloria and myself. But Gloria, what if I want an auto loan?
Now, y'all, Marvin keep bringing me back to these auto loans, which it's time for me to get my new car. But let's dive into what they have, okay? So with the auto loans, they have a first-time auto loan program. Now, this is really, really important. I'm really loving this, money magnets, because with this particular program, you don't need to have any credit history required. You also have generous limits up to $25,000. So if you never purchased a car before, it's okay. It also has flexible loan terms up to 60 months for this particular program. And the interest rate is pretty low. It's only 8.24%. So you don't have to worry about paying those high interest rate because you never purchased a car before. It also gives you 100% financing, as well as you get automatically pre-qualified for a $500 line of credit with this credit union.
And if you want to defer your payments for 90 days, they have that also. But if you have credit established, you can get up to 84 months. So when it comes to buying an auto, I would definitely recommend this credit union. And remember, anybody can join. This credit union is based in Minnesota. From what we figured out, they pull TransUnion. So I would make sure I have a 700 credit score and make sure I got less than 3 inquiries on TransUnion. Make sure you list your employer on there as well, because we've seen a lot of people get their applications delayed or denied because they can't verify your employment. And remember, guys, all you got to do is spend $5 with the Expedition Foundation and open a savings account for $5. But Gloria, what if I want to get a recreational vehicle?
Now, Marvin, we just moved to Florida, so it's time for a boat too, okay? So with their recreational vehicles, they have boats, motorcycles, and you can get a model from 2020 all the way up to the current year, so
Right.
brand new. And I love the fact that the interest rates are really low. So if you do a 36-month term, you're only paying 5.24%. But as you know, the longer term that you choose, the higher the interest rate goes up.
Right.
But they go all the way up to 180 months, and the interest rate goes to 7.74% up to 84 months, which is not bad.
And guys, keep in mind, when a credit union is a little lenient with credit, you make sure you have your docs. Make sure you got your driver's license. I would have a bill at my current address, 2 pay stubs, and maybe 2 months bank statements just in case they ask for it, because they seem like they got some great rates. And usually with credit unions, sometimes they're going to ask for docs just to verify you.
Okay, Marvin, let's not forget to tell our money magnets how they can earn this extra $200.
All right, Glory, we've already told them one way they can get $100 cash back on a credit card. Now you can get up to $100 per referral when you refer your friends to this credit union. And remember, anybody can join. So it's 2 ways to earn $50. You can earn up to $100 per referral. So number 1, they need to open a free rewards checking account and qualify for monthly rewards in the first 90 days. Number 2, they open a loan for $10,000 or more in the first 90 days of membership of the opening day. So that's 2 ways, guys. Just watching this video, we just showed you how you can earn $200.
Okay, that's why we need you to like and share so that you can earn $200 as well as let someone else earn as well. But Marvin, let's dive into the home loans because I know someone is a first-time home buyer.
Look, guys, if you want to be a first-time home buyer with a fixed rate mortgage, you can also do that with Expedition Credit Union. They also have adjustable rate mortgages. So if you're looking to refinance in 5 to 7 years, they have the 5-in-1 arm, the 7-in-1 arm. And if you're looking for USDA properties, now I made a lot of money buying USDA properties. So if you don't know about it, make sure you visit their website. They may have houses available in your area. Also, they offer FHA loans. If you're a first-time home buyer, they got VA loans for those of you in the military. And guys, you can get construction loans. But I would assume when they're doing these type of mortgages, they're probably going to do them in the Minnesota area. Now in Minnesota, they only got 3 branches, but they have over 5,000 shared branches where you can do business if you live in another state. So I wouldn't be afraid to join this credit union because they have other shared credit unions that you can do business with. But Gloria, what if I already own a home and I want a home equity line?
Okay, so with the home equity loans, it's up to 15 years and it's only 7.5%. That's really not bad.
Yeah.
Now, you can also do a second mortgage and it does 80% of loan to value and it's a 5-year balloon. Now, it also has 15 years amortization at 7%. You also can do another second mortgage at 90% with the same 5-year balloon, and that one is 7.75%. Now, these home equity loans are not bad. The interest rates look really, really good. So if you need to consolidate some debt or you have some major projects that you need to work on in your home, this right here would be a good way to do that.
So Gloria, to do a quick recap, the credit union allows anybody to join. You only got to spend $5 with Expedition Foundation,
Okay.
$5 in a savings account, and now you're a member. So I look at this credit union as if I was running out of a 0% for 12 months with Chase and I'm looking for somewhere to go, this would be a good backup plan to get another year at 2.9% on the credit cards. Or if you're looking for a personal loan up to $35,000, this is a great place to consolidate so that you can pay your credit cards down and get your score up. But remember, they're gonna pull TransUnion. You wanna make sure you got a 700 credit score on TransUnion. And remember, this is a credit union, so they're gonna wanna pull your check systems. Now, I heard somebody say they've been joining every credit union that we post. Don't do that. Make sure in the last 6 months, you only have 3 inquiries on your check system. So you don't wanna join every credit union. You wanna join the one that's for you. So check out the benefits, check out the cards, and see if it's something that you actually want to join.
Okay, hold up, because I have a gem.
What you got, Glow?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you're looking for a bank that has $100,000 limits, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.